Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Varshika Singh and I'm back with another exciting video. And in today's video, I will be reviewing a new brand which I have tried for the very first time and has customized goods. So I wanted to review this brand, and it is, for me, I would call it a luxury brand, but it is not that expensive that you can't afford it. So yeah, let's begin without wasting any further time. So first of all, the packaging was very solid, and let me give you a short intro of what I'm gonna be reviewing today. It's a customized handmade passport holder. So yeah, this is the packaging. The packaging was really solid, and I received it in such a way. It was just so securely packed, as you can see. And inside there was bubble wrap, and with bubble wrap was this classy sturdy box which has Urbi written over it. I don't know how to pronounce it because I am trying this brand for the very first time, but I hope it's called Urbi. I don't know. It spells as URBY, and the box is so classy. I love such matte black boxes which with a little gold detail which has brand over, and it is a sleek box. You can use it afterwards for any purpose. And after opening it, this is what you see. It is a jute cloth, I think, and when you take it out, the box is empty, and when you take it out, it is a jute bag. And give you a closer look, and it has this pouch kind of thing. You can snatch it like this and then open it. And let's take out the main thing which we are gonna talk about, and the and I don't know why I did that, but that was really awkward. I might cut that part, but whatever. So this is the passport case. It looks so shiny in the screen. It is in the real as well, but you can properly see it in the screen because I have arranged some lighting, which now I'm proud of because I can show you the exact product. So this is how it looks like, and when you open it, this is how it looks. It is pure leather, and I would call this, it is a snake pattern. I hope you can see the details and the pattern. And when you open it, you have that pocket here. It has passport written, which is handwritten. Like literally this embroidery is done by hand. Everything is done by hand. This whole case, this leather is sewn by hand, and you can see a little cut over here which proves that it is made by hand, and it has been attached here. And it, you can also customize your name on it. My sister got her nickname customized on it, which says Cheeky. As you know, her the blog name is also cheekydimplesblog.com, which I will link in the description box so you can check it out. But look at the perfection. It is in a straight line, perfectly spelled without any rough edges, and it has Urbi again engraved here. The pocket is really good, the leather quality is genuine, and this piece was, I guess, for rupees 2500, which is not at all expensive, and in which you are getting such a luxury and classic piece. So definitely a thumbs up. I will link them in the description box down below so you can check them out. And that's it for today's video. And if you want to read more about this classic passport holder, I will leave the blog link in the description box, in which it has been reviewed in very much detail, so you can check that out. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you next. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new here. I will see you next time. Bye bye.